Coming your way are some spring home maintenance tips. Hey guys, it's Hayley Bartlett, your Aussie agent, and today we're going to talk about some spring maintenance tips that you can do on your home now so that your home is ready for the spring and summer months. So the first thing we're going to talk about is your roof and your gutters. You want to make sure your gutters are cleaned out, and you want to make sure that you don't have any loose or missing tiles on your roof. Now, the reason you want to make sure those gutters are cleaned out is when we get the rains and the hailstorms like we get here in Colorado, you want to make sure that your gutters can handle the water so they don't leak down and wreck your siding or get into the foundation of your home. The second thing you want to check is your windows. Make sure they're moving properly, make sure they're working properly, and make sure the screens don't have holes or gaps in them, because I don't know about you, but I don't like bugs in my house. Filters in your air conditioning system, you want to make sure they're nice and clean, so switch those out. You can get cheap ones that work really well and just switch them out regularly. You also may want to check your batteries in your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors so that they are working correctly through the spring and summer months. Another thing you want to do is get out and check that your sprinkler system is working. You want to make sure those heads are popping up, working properly, and that they're not leaking somewhere, or that you haven't got them draining into somewhere you don't need them draining into. So make sure the sprinkler heads are working, make sure your zones are working so that you're ready to go as things dry up. And here in Colorado, that happens pretty quickly. We see that switch from getting lots of snow and not needing watering to, oh my gosh, we need to water. So those are just a few home maintenance tips. If you would like more, check out the link below. I have a whole blog post on these spring maintenance things that you can do to keep your house working great through the spring and summer months. I hope you are doing well out there, and we look forward to spring and summer, as life as we know it is not really as we know it right now. Let me know if I can help in any way, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.